Hey everyone, welcome back. Is PayPal saying your account is limited or restricted and you cannot send money, withdraw, or do anything? Here's exactly what that means and what need to do to fix it. First, log in into your PayPal account on a browser and not just the app. Go to Google or Safari or any web browser and search for paypal.com. Then log in. Once you're in, click the notification at the top that says your account is limited or look in your account settings for resolution center option. PayPal places limitations when they need to verify your identity or review your account activity. This is a security measure. In the resolution center, you'll see a list of steps PayPal needs you to complete. Things like uploading a government ID, confirming your address, linking and confirming a bank account, or explaining recent transactions. Complete each step on the list one by one. After submitting everything, PayPal reviews it within 1 to 3 business days and lifts the limitation. Do not open a new PayPal account, that will just make things worse. So, all you've got to do is log in on browser, go to resolution center, complete every step PayPal asked for, limitation lifted within a few days. And that's it. Subscribe for more PayPal